What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So, I'm on the other side of Australia at the moment, doing a bit of holidaying, first time ever. It was about 7 hours on the train, 4 hours on a plane, 2 hours on a bus. Long fucking trip. Anyway, when the sun comes up a bit, because at the moment you can see it's still pretty dark. When the sun comes up a bit, we're gonna get the drone out. We're gonna get the drone out and do some flying around. There's some fucking, it's a big area, this place. We're on a few acres here, but after the sun fucking wakes up, we're gonna be flying around out here and shit. All of this, it's a big place. When the sun comes up, we'll go for a quick fly.
A couple guys in first class on a flight from New York to Los Angeles, kinda making small talk, killing time, flirting with the flight attendants. 30,000 feet above, could be Oklahoma. Just a bunch of square cornfields and wheat farms, man, it all looks the same. Miles and miles of back roads and highways connecting little towns with funny names. Who'd wanna live down there in the middle of nowhere? They've never drove through Indiana, met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted his ass for you and me. You're called a harvest moon in Kansas. They'd understand why God made those flyover states. I bet that mile-long Santa Fe freight train engineer seen it all. Just like that flatbed cowboy stacking U.S. steel on a 3-day haul. Roads and rails under their feet. Yeah, that sounds like a first-class seat on the plains of Oklahoma, with a windshield sunset in your eyes, like a watercolor painted sky. You think heaven's doors have opened.
Alright, so this is the last day I'm in Tully. I'm gonna be getting a lift down to Mission Beach, and I'll be down there for the rest of today. And then tomorrow in the morning I'll be getting on a fucking bus and I'll be heading up to Cairns, staying 1, maybe 2 nights up there, and then back on the plane to Perth, and then back on the train, and we'll be back in Cal.
When I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. John Lennon, Michael Jackson, Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix. When I die, I just wanna be a legend. White roses on my headstone and my name in golden carrots. Cause when I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. I'm gonna be a fucking legend. Gonna live past 27. With them gates out from my house so pearly white, you think it's heaven. Still rocking clothes, looking ratchet like I don't give a shit. Cause once upon a time I scrounged for that slick 80 cents. And I cherish the times I counted them nickels to feed my stomach. Then my family made me hungry cause I hated the struggling. I quit my job in construction, I took a huge leap of faith. And now they know the dude who's rapping with that gap in his face. John Lennon, Michael Jackson, Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix. When I die, I just wanna be a legend. White roses on my headstone and my name in golden carrots. Cause when I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. And when I'm gone, my fucking jams will still be jamming. And all my fans will still be out here tearing shit up, raising hell and yelling. Let my sound waves live 1,000 years, I'll still jam as a skeleton. Cause when I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. And I ain't used to this life, but hell, I'm willing to take it. If I'm gonna be famous, then I guess I'm making statements. Cause there was times my transportation was these boots on the pavement. And now I'm riding in duties, dipped in that pearlescent paint for years before. 1,000 years, I still jam as a skeleton. Cause when I die, I'm gonna be a fucking legend. Small town, shine sipping, tailgate dumping when the beat drops.